Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And no, this is not my little purse. This is another repurposed bag from Jeff, in which he's storing a little radio in. Let me show you that radio right now. I want to thank Jeff for loaning these radios to review. There it is right there. It is a Kaito KA-230. Now you can still get these on eBay and Amazon new. It's a analog radio, AM and FM, so it doesn't have the muting while tuning, which I hate. Sold for $14.95. And let's just try it out here. It's on this side. It's got off AM and FM and a headphone jack, a little clip. Put that on your belt or your shirt. Over here is the volume and tuning. Now note, this is volume, not on off in volume. So that's just volume. Tuning dial, a little indicator whether it's on or not. I'll show you that in a second. A very short telescopic antenna. I would say it's about 10 inches for FM. Nothing on the bottom. He uses two, I'll get it open here, AA batteries. Actually, the AA batteries double the weight of this. That's how light it is. Put that back on there. Clicks in place. And we will go to AM first. Try to. Got a little thumbnail down there. There we go. Little tinny. It's got a very small speaker. Of course, they have to be at least 18. But if you don't turn the volume up too high, in other words, right now I had to turn it up high because I got my wall air conditioner blasting away down in my workshop. So I was about half volume.
Basically anywhere, anybody, anywhere. They can be your best friend on another state, could be the trust.
And of course, you can get better fidelity by using headphones. Let's just kind of scan the band real quick. This is the medium wave band or AM band.
And we have a live show going back and forth between the host, myself, and you, the listener.
It's right at mid band right now.
Problems. You do have open lines right now, and you have or a private message, Benani, on Facebook, and we will reach out to you.
727-228-6449.
What are your volume? Picking up a lot of stations. Okay, let's try FM quickly. And we'll put up the antenna. And we'll tune. We're at the end of the band right now. We'll tune back down. It locks in stations really quick.
Dial *** cool to schedule an appointment.
Getting a lot of stations. So let's try, turn it down for a second. Let's try down the lower end of the band. The readout is really small, really small. Okay, let's get down to down below 90 megahertz. That's where there's a couple of stations across the bay from me. They're sometimes hard to receive. There it is. So it's coming in clear. Really touchy on the tuning. But it's picking up a lot of stations. So as far as reception, it's doing a great job. I can say the audio on this little speaker, not the best. I would suggest you would use the earbuds. That's about it. Not a whole lot more I can say about it. Again, it's by Kaito. The model is KA-230. Let me look at my notes from Jeff, see if he has anything to add. Works very well, not a DX monster, but pulls in a lot of stations. Yeah, it did a good job pulling in stations. Small dial makes it harder to tune. Yeah, but it locks into the stations really well. And he's got two blue dots that he added. One there, one there. One is for WSM in Nashville, and one is KMOX in St. Louis. So he receives stations from St. Louis. Alrighty. I want to thank Jeff again for loaning me these radios. You can pick up one of these again at Amazon. Matter of fact, I think I was fairly impressed. I think I'll add this to my Amazon store. And you can get to my Amazon store via the link below each of my videos. I have not gone back. Amazon kind of messed me up, or messed everybody up, in that about a year ago they changed the store setup for people like me, and they made you change your store address. So I had like 1,300 videos with my old store address. And I started going back, because you have to manually go back and change each one of those addresses in the description. And I started changing the videos that were more popular, but there's still probably 1,200 earlier videos, less than 1,300, that I haven't changed my Amazon store link. Anyway, if you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.